And of course, I always like Apple, a couple stocks like Facebook and Apple that are pretty much always on my list just because they're trading in a way with their options that they can always be even a good day trading candidate if the markets are moving well. Apple had been bearish a couple of days last week, and then we saw a bounce on Friday. So to close the week out, Apple's right back at its 5 exponential moving average. So we're at a tradable point right here. And I would maybe think about considering moving into the bearish side of things if Apple completes a falling 3. If it drops below the candle body that we have from Friday, redraw that. It's going to look more like a kind of a completed falling 3 type of a pattern. So that's a level to look for puts. And then on the call side, either day trading if we have an extremely strong market and just with a bullish 5-minute chart on Apple, or a rally above the 5 exponential moving average can make things look quite bullish. All right, so Amazon, that had the big breakout, and you'll notice Amazon breaking out of the rectangle, and it has been surprisingly strong. Each day, though, a lot of the move is in the gap, and although it has closed up higher every day except for Friday, again, a lot of the move was in the gap. And so kind of interesting. It was one of those that's great to position in on a breakout of the rectangle or on Tuesday on the breakout of the resistance, and then just let that trend run. By Thursday, we had that gap up and that shooting star. That is a pattern, one of our exit patterns, that is often used to tighten your stop up to protect any money that you may have in the trade. So that means you would have been out on Friday. Now for this week, going forward, I think it makes an awful lot of sense. For right now, let's realize that it's only had one day of a retracement, so it could potentially sell off more. If it does, that obviously could be traded with a more of a bearish kind of a position, quick swing trading likely. So that's something to look at if we do see things breaking down, and if not, if we have a rally above the close or even above the candle body from Friday, that's a completely different picture, and it'll start to show us a lot more bullish momentum picking up, and that'll look more like a continuation of the uptrend that it's been in so far. So a couple of levels to consider there.